Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Kenn Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 13th of September. We did a secret move, an accordion figure eight, an accordion present, and a lasso sway. If you need teaching information, the link's in the description below, and this will show you how everything went together. We started with the secret move, and we were right to right. It went 7 and 8. Offer, in, twist, barrier, turn, accordion figure eight, lady goes round, guy goes round, lady goes round, set up the accordion present, round and look, present the lady, guys move on, lady, guys move on, through, over the top, preparation, big turn, lasso sway, we come to the lady and a wrap, back, forwards, away and face, return, and you'd be ready to go back to the secret move. That was the routine. Hope you find that helpful. We will be back next time with another video. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and there'll be a music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. We'll catch you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.